Okay, let's see what you have here. The best time to buy and sell stock. You are given an array prices where prices at index I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy stock and choosing different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, you return 0. So we have an example here. I'm going to copy it so that you can use it from here. Now day 1, it is 7. Day 2, 1. Day 3, 5, 3, 6, 4 consecutively. Now for us to have a maximum profit, we can't buy it at day 7 because remember, you can only sell after you've bought. So you can't buy at day 7, otherwise you'll be having a loss in each remaining days. The only good day to buy is when it is low, which is 1. Then you can sell it at any other day that's supposed to be bigger profit. So the profit between day 2 and day 3 is going to be 4 shillings. The profit between day 2 and day 4 is 2 shillings. Profit between day 2 and day 5 is 5 shillings. And the last day is 3 shillings. So I think the maximum profit is going to be you buy at day 2 and sell at day 5. So let's see how we're going to handle this. One, we need to have a variable that is going to hold our minimum price when you're going to buy it. Min price when you're going to buy. And for us to have the minimum price, we are going to have a float of infinite. So this is the maximum value that you're going to have in Python. Now we are going to be updating this minimum value each and every time we find the minimum value. Also, we need to create another variable called maximum profit. And you're going to have it at 0 so that you're going to change it when you get the maximum profit. Now, at this stage, you want to iterate over all the prices in the prices. So we're going to say for price in prices, we are going to confirm if the price that we are in at that time is going to be less than minimum main price that we created up here. It's supposed to be a Z. Okay. So if there is a value that is going to be less than minimum price that we created up there, then we're going to update our minimum price to have the same value as the price. So now we have the minimum price that we've already gotten. How do we get the profit? The profit is going to be the difference between the price and the minimum value, minimum price that you're going to get from the iteration and updating our variable here. We have it at that point. Now what next we need to do? We need to check if the profit that we have is greater than the maximum profit that we created and updated previously. If it is true that that is the maximum, then we are going to update the profit with the value of profit. After we are done looping, we need to get out of the loop. Then we return maximum profit. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Indentation problem here. We need to indent here. This one need to indent here. So we are checking if that price is less than the minimum price so that you can update it. We've updated it correctly. You're getting the profit. The profit should be the difference between the selling and the buying price. This is the profit. Now we're checking if this profit is greater than the maximum profit that we created up here and initialize it as 0. So if this profit is going to be greater than maximum profit, then you're going to update the maximum profit with the value of profit. After that, once updating and the looping is done, we're going to have our final max profit. So let's run this and see. Brilliant. This one is passing our test case. Let's look at the time complexity and space complexity. Time complexity here, we are only looping it once. So this is a linear time complexity. And you're going to have it at big O of n, where n is the number of items in the prices list. The space complexity is going to be big O of. We're not creating any storage anywhere. We're not introducing any data structure. We are only updating maximum profit and minimum price. So the space complexity is going to be constant, which is big O of 1. And that is how we solve the question best time to buy and sell stock. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.